Before heading into the woods to find firewood, make sure that you have the right tools. I'm using the Gränsfors Bruk forest axe. It's a reliable axe that I have been using for many years. When searching for firewood, stumps are a great place to start. You can find stumps from trees that have fallen naturally or that have been cut down by humans. The best stumps for firewood come from pine trees, as they often contain fat wood. Fat wood is rich in resin, making it highly flammable, even in wet conditions. Keep in mind though, that some stumps can be quite tough to process. Another excellent option is to gather dry, dead branches and thickened twigs from fallen trees. Make sure that the branches and twigs that you gather are roughly in the same size. That makes it easier to build a campfire. A good rule of thumb is that the smaller you make the campfire, the closer you can sit by it. I like to sit close to my campfires, and therefore I make them quite small. If these branches have lichens growing on them, it's even better. Lichens are an outstanding material for starting a fire, as it's incredibly flammable and easily catches a spark. Combining fat wood from stumps and branches with lichens gives you all the fire starting material you need. In order to get the fire going, I use regular matches, and I keep them in a plastic bag so that they always remain dry. Place the match against the lichen and hold it there until the lichen catches the fire. And there you have it, how you make a small and simple campfire out in the woods. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures from the Swedish outdoors.